Before viewing this section on stand-up end control trucks, you must first watch sections 1 through 5 of this video. This part of the operator training program deals with the narrow aisle equipment classified as stand-up end control lift trucks. These machines are classified by the ITA as Class 1 vehicles, which cover electric motor rider trucks. Please remember that there can be significant differences between different brands of stand-up end control trucks in the way their controls operate, the layout of the operator compartment, and other features. This is why it is extremely important for you to read and fully understand the operation and maintenance manual that comes with your truck. Also, you must fully understand the warning plates and decals on your vehicle. In this program, we will cover the major differences between stand-up end control trucks and sit-down counterbalance lift trucks, as well as stand-up end control components and controls. General rules of the road for operating these machines are covered in Section 4 of this program. Be sure that you know and follow these general rules. Remember, a professional knows their machine and the rules, and respects them. That's what safety is all about. All stand-up end control trucks are powered by industrial batteries. These trucks usually have a 36-volt electrical system. Stand-up end control trucks have compact dimensions and can operate in aisles as small as 7 to 9 feet wide. The wheelbase is much shorter than a sit-down counterbalance truck because the operator stands rather than sits. In the standing position, the operator experiences less fatigue when the application requires him or her to constantly get on and off the truck. Stand-up end control trucks are very versatile and can be used in dock operations for loading and unloading trailers and stacking and unstacking material. Stand-up end control trucks can be used on ramps as well. If you do operate a truck on a ramp, remember to follow the rules of the road for ramp operation, and never operate on grades which exceed the manufacturer's recommendations. A sit-down counterbalance truck can be powered by internal combustion engine or industrial battery. The operator sits during operation, and the truck has much larger dimensions. A typical sit-down counterbalance machine will operate in aisles from 12 to 14 feet wide. They can be used indoors or outdoors over various compact surfaces. They can perform a variety of jobs such as loading and unloading trailers and stacking and unstacking materials. Now let's move to the major components of the stand-up end control truck. The chassis portion of the truck includes the operator compartment, battery compartment, and major system components such as the drive, hydraulic, and electrical systems, as well as the brakes. These trucks are commonly equipped with battery side gates to reduce the risk of the battery from sliding out of the vehicle. Stand-up end control trucks have 2 large drive tires and dual steer tires that provide stability and mobility. The forks, carriage, and load backrest engage the load and support it. The mast supports the carriage, load backrest, and forks and guides their vertical travel during lifting and lowering. Lift cylinders provide the hydraulic power to raise and lower the mast. Tilt cylinders tilt the mast forward and back, and an overhead guard is designed to help protect the operator from falling objects. Inside the operator compartment, you will see a battery disconnect knob. This knob allows the operator to disconnect the battery for routine and emergency situations. The console includes various indicators and displays. Read your operation and maintenance manual for a description of indicators and displays for your vehicle. The control handle of a stand-up end control truck provides operation of truck movement, whether it be for travel, lifting and lowering, tilt, or side shifting. Again, read your operation and maintenance manual for the operation of this control. When the truck is traveling forks first, it is moving in the forward direction. When the truck is traveling chassis first, it is moving in the reverse direction. The steering wheel maneuvers the truck, and stand-up end control trucks can be equipped with forward or reverse steering. Make sure you know the method of steering on your truck and are comfortable with it before you operate the vehicle. On the floor of the operator compartment, you will find the operator presence pedal and the traction pedal. The hydraulics are activated by depressing the operator presence pedal. Then, by depressing the traction pedal, you release the brake and enable the travel system. Please note that both pedals must be depressed for full operation of the truck. Read your operation and maintenance manual for the performance of your truck's operation. Always apply the brakes smoothly to maintain the vehicle's stability. Keep the load secure and avoid sudden stops. Again, the components of your vehicle and their functions may vary from what you've seen, so you must read and fully understand the operation and maintenance manual for your particular stand-up end control truck. Prior to operating your truck, you must complete the pre-operational inspection at the beginning of your shift. Routines for completing the inspection are in Section 3 of this program. Review the general rules of the road covered in Section 4 of this video and your workbook for the stand-up end control truck. And since this truck is very similar to a reach truck in operation, you can refer to Section 6 of this video and your workbook for additional operating routines. This is the end of Section 9. Please complete the exercises in your workbook. Once you've completed these exercises, proceed to Section 10, turret truck operation, if you have this type of vehicle.